Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Starlink internet subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account you will see this kind of dashboard. You need to select subscription on your dashboard. Once you click on subscription you will see your all the active subscriptions, and you can click on the arrow button which is the status is showing active in my case, and you can click on the arrow button and it will pop up a new window, this kind of window. On this window there are some details regarding your plan and the data usage, and each and everything is available on this window. You just need to simply hit manage. Okay, and once you tap on manage it will pop up a new window. On this window you can pause your service, you can cancel your service, but if you want to pause your service then you have to pay, you can fees. Then there is no, you can benefits of pausing the service. Just simply cancel your service. You can choose this option, cancel service. When you click on this link with this option, it will show you a warning. Like warning is indicating like if you want to reactivate your plan in future, then you are not able to reactivate your plan if you are going to cancel, if you are going to cancel your service at this time. Okay, so this is the drawback of Starlink. Only you can use Starlink only one place on your service area if the area is activated, and if you want to cancel it then you are not allowed to reactivate in future. Okay, so this is the thing. If you you can want to cancel your plan, then you can continue or you can keep your service. Okay, so by using these ways, by following the on-screen instructions, you can cancel your Starlink subscription. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.